gonna get bit.
Let's do the phone in the fire pit.
Don't do that. Cool.
Ding 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 ding. Oh, my camera's blurry.
I'll show it to you. I'll send it to you.
Hello.
Deer.
Blurry camera. Oh, there we go. I fixed the camera. Hey, what's Gucci, my guy? Okay, we're not here to hurt you. We just really desperately need vlog material.
No, don't leave. My only friend.
No! Dang it!
Dang it.
We'll miss you. We'll miss you, Cupid. Goodbye. One of the fellow reindeer has ran away from Santa. Guys, here we are. We're storming Area 51 early. Here it is.
Guys, we're storming Area 51. Here we go.
Oh my goodness. Curtis, don't do it. Don't cross the line, Curtis. No! Curtis! Oh my goodness, you almost did it. Guys, I'm going to cross the line and they have authority to shoot me. Look, here's the line, this crack. The line.
Do it.
Oh!
You yell dance, right? Wait, Cole, I'm gonna take a video of you doing it, okay?
I'll
Wait,
take.
just don't hold out your phone, Cole. I'll send it to you.
Oh, it's fine.
No, Cole. Turn off your phone.
Guys, Area 51. We went early. Footage. You saw it. You saw it. You saw the footage. Area 51. Oh my goodness, guys. This just might be the vlog footage because this is a big deal.
If we die, we let the world know that Area 51.
Yes. Guys, stay tuned and I will show all of my subscribers what was in Area 51.
If we make it.
Yeah, if we make it out alive, but yeah, we stormed Area 51 and here we are at the Area 51 store. Yep. Got like the aliens in the fake security gear. We didn't grab any of that. We're broke and we gotta go all in. All in. Yeah. So, supposed to be camping vlog. Might be some beach or something. And like a tour. But, for now, we just stormed Area 51 early. So, yeah. We are so savage. We are like savager than savage.
We're savager than Jake Paul.
I know, my guy.
Okay, guys, we'll let you know more later. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wait, what's that?
Guys,
JK Cole.
guys, we're at the Area 51 lake where all the aliens swim. So, yeah, we almost just got attacked earlier. Like, but we managed to, like, duck in, like, this bush here, and they lost us. So, we are safe for now from Area 51.
For now, we don't know what's happening. Wait! What's that noise? Well, sometime we should take out your raft and try to go there.
Raft?
Yeah.
I have a raft.
Yeah, that weird one. What? That big floaty thing.
Ooh, that'd actually be sick. Oh,
Maybe next year when you're older.
guys, stay tuned to my channel for next year.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
And
storming Area 51 the next year after.
There's where they keep all the aliens.
Yeah, right on there. We're gonna try to make it.
Well, that's where they keep the
sea.
the broken ones, ones. But we might have or might have not saw the real aliens.
Yeah, we aren't sure
Stay
yet.
tuned to
We'll
my
have more
channel
information. Exactly.
to see. Okay, guys. I hope we are good. Alright. So we just got some footage. Guys, you know what I'm saying? It's cover up and you don't get stung. Or bit. We're getting eaten alive out here. Like, alive. I don't even know if we're still alive. I think we're dying on the inside.
Doesn't.
This is the only way you don't get bitten. Dad, it's working.
What?
Mom, seriously. Ow! I get stung in the one spot where my skin's showing. Ow! My ear! Ow!
I know. They're hurting.
Dude, this is nuts. I'm getting stung in my ears. Hype! Yes, hype! Vlog footage! Vlog footage! Hype again! We're dying! We're dying! We are dying! Real! Riley! Riley! Jack, are we dying inside? Jack, that's my plate! We're doing in the...
Cool.
We're
On your YouTube channel.
Hi. Yo, subscribe to Cool Summer Vlogs.
Yeah.
This is true. Riley, try to be good vlog.
Thanks. I appreciate it greatly. Hello, everybody. Check me out on the YouTube. Riley Smith. Check out me.
Riley.
Curtis Smith.
Riley. Look up Riley.
That's 2 uploads.
Brielle Smith, who hasn't uploaded anything.
Subscribe to my channel. You will instantly get a lot from camping that doesn't have any mosquitoes.
We'd take it already.
Subscribe, everyone. Simple vlog.
Yo. Check me out on YouTube. The Hot Body. Yeah.
Hey, you're
Yo, check me out. Yeah, some Cool Summer Vlogs on YouTube.
Oh, Curtis Smith got his first vlog going.
New channel.
CurtisSummerVlogs.com.
CurtisSummerVlogs.com.
Live streams.
Yes.
Episode 4.
Thank you.
This time there'll actually be some going on.
Fun vlogger. Look at that. Vlogger.
You actually can't see the mosquitoes, but they are horrible. Is this the worst that you've experienced the mosquitoes? Is this the worst that you've experienced the mosquitoes?
No.
What's your favorite thing about mosquitoes? What's your favorite thing?
You catching anything? Eli, you've caught some?
We caught one. Watch out for the hole.
Right here?
Yeah. Hi, Coley.
Vlog.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Coolest summer vlogs.
No, I like them. All right, little pals.
You bring me the worms?
Oh, don't move it. I see them looking at it. Here we go. Here it comes.
Oh, low battery sign.
I see them looking at it.
That's not, but that's not ours.
There's 2, 3, 4 looking at it.
It is?
Yeah.
Go back, yo, bro. Go back to the vlog. It's day 4 of camping. And now, we're going to go see the fam.
What's up, vlog?
Riley got his personal day.
Woo!
Yeah, it is. It's going online. I'm going to send it to Forest Cliff Camps.
Don't. Send it to Obi. Today, I'm focusing on me.
What about you, Curtis?
AJ, come here. Come here, AJ. Come here.
Kurt, are you vlogging?
Lucky charm.
Lucky Charms, eh? That's going on my vlog.
You don't have a vlog.
Oh, Beth wants to get a picture of that. That is funny.
So, we're here with the fam. Riley, what do you have to say about today?
I'm focusing on me today.
What about you?
You need to lay down for a little while.
I might.
Curtis, what about you?
Personal days are honestly just good for morale boosting. This is a morale boosting for Riley.
Alright, what about you, Aunt Melanie?
Mental health day.
What about you, Brielle?
I just think we need to meditate on ourselves. Just,
Oh,
like,
okay.
Just bring it all in.
Hey, Curtis!
What's on your mind?
Did we get chased by Area 51 cops yesterday? Yes, we did. Yep. As you guys already saw, we went to Area 51. Eli.
Cool, you can VSUB Founders Castle.
Cool.
You can be Waluigi
Eli.
or Wario.
Eli, what's up? What do you have to say about the vlog? Do you love what are you playing?
Dr. Mario.
Can I see? Can the vlog see? Oh wow, you play. Is that mommy's
I
phone?
need to play it though. Yeah.
Dad, what do you have to say about today?
Yo, check me out on YouTube, The Hot Father, yeah.
Riley's here. Curtis, do the intro.
Oh, they're videoing it.
Hello guys, welcome to my Minecraft Let's Play. Today we're going to be mining some diamonds and maybe some iron ore, so here we go. So I found a technical difficulty, so we're going to have to fix that.
We are on the way to the dark store for ice cream. Eli, which flavor are you gonna get? Or Jack, which flavor? Jack, don't do that. Jack, you cracked it. Well, guys, it's the last day. Well, the last day for my family. I still get to stay one more night. As you could see by the footage earlier, Jack, he smacked the camera and my phone cracked. But luckily the camera still works. And look, it's gone. Wait, there's still one thing.
Oh!
A magazine.
Go!
What?
Let me have it!
I really need it.
Go!
Hey, we could just run around this lot. Well, we technically. Hey! Give me my magazine back! Guys, that wraps it for this week's vlog. I still have to go home and edit it all.